How to delete your Twitter account permanently. Twitter can be a great way to stay connected with friends and family, but it can also be overwhelming. There are so many tweets to keep up with, and it's easy to feel like you're missing out if you're not on the site all the time. If you're feeling overwhelmed by Twitter, it's important to take a break. Or, if you're looking for a permanent break, we can help you. Follow our step-by-step instructions on how to deactivate your Twitter account. Step 1. In the top menu, you will see your profile icon. Select the profile icon. Step 2. Select Settings and Privacy. Step 3. Select your account. Step 4. Click on Deactivate Account. Step 5. Read the account deactivation information. If you want to change your username, select Settings. Step 6. If you want to change your current email before you deactivate, you can click on Change them. Step 7. If you want to download all data before deactivating, click on Your Twitter Data. Step 8. If you don't want to change anything, then click Deactivate button directly. Step 9. When you are asked for your password, type it in and click the Deactivate button to confirm that you want to proceed. Step 10. Now click on Yes, Deactivate. Your account is deactivated. Keep in mind that Twitter may keep some of your information even after you deactivate your account. For example, Twitter may retain data about you if it's necessary to prevent fraud or comply with legal requirements. Thank you for watching.